This data on Sandy and its evolution into becoming a major East Coast storm, I've come to a few conclusions. Number one, this storm has the potential for breaking a lot of records. Number two, it will have a high impact on a large area. And number three, that area will include western New York and the Finger Lakes. Let's talk about where Sandy is right now. Again, it is a hurricane with top winds of 75 miles per hour, Category 1. The orange area here is really remarkable. These are the tropical storm force winds. They extend outward from the center by 500 miles. Notice it makes a turn off to the right and then a sharp left-hand hook into the mid-Atlantic, and that is when the storm will start to spin itself out. And it will create a very large wind field and, of course, rain itself out as well. And notice the storm really doesn't go very far very quickly. And so we are going to be dealing with its effects potentially straight into the end of the week. Now, the heart of the storm will likely be on Monday night and into Tuesday. Here are the impacts I foresee. First of all, we've got the rain, courtesy of a front that's going to be like a shot in the arm to this storm. That's why we're seeing some of that rain right now, is because of that front, not from Sandy itself. The storm, again, a nor'easter, once it transitions into a more of an East Coast old-fashioned gale, will arrive Monday night. Strong north-northeast winds are likely, which will push a lot of water from the lake onto the shoreline. We're talking the potential for 15, 20-foot waves, and there's also potential from flooding from the rain that's going to be falling. So you've got the lakeshore flooding and the potential for area-wide rain that will accumulate to the potential of bringing some of that flooding in parts of our area. 50 degrees right now. We're dealing with some steady rain, the breeze out of the north-northwest, and we've had fog that's been socked into the area as well as this front kind of sets up shop, especially down in Ocean where it's 51 degrees. There's a live look at your pinpoint 10 Doppler. This rain is making a slow slog off to the east here, so it'll be raining on the east side as well. Here is the futurecast to show you the evolution of how this gale will send bands of rain our way. First of all, the front that's getting hung up right over the Genesee Valley will continue to be a mechanism to bring some rain off and on through the night tonight and into tomorrow. Might get a little bit of a break tomorrow morning, but notice with this easterly flow, more rain coming in for the midday and into the afternoon, and then watch what happens as we head into Monday. Even though we're going to get a little bit of a break, the winds are going to start to pick up out of the northeast and east, and watch as all this rain comes in from the south here. That is the rain from that East Coast storm that was Sandy that will be really producing some pretty impressive conditions. Look at these winds. We start out with 25, 30 miles an hour of sustained wind Monday morning, and by Monday night the potential is there for winds to be on the order of 50 miles an hour sustained on the lakeshore with higher gusts. And those winds could be a factor for not just 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. We're talking about the potential of 12 to 18 hours of high winds. And look at our rainfall tallies. They are impressive. This is just through Monday night. 2.5 inches and still raining into Tuesday morning. So it's gray and cool tonight with areas of light rain and fog. Not a big deal. Just need the umbrella, the low 45. Tomorrow, it's rainy, drizzly, foggy, 49. And here it is in the 7-day forecast. The effects of Sandy or that nor'easter will come in later Monday night and Tuesday. Strong winds, heavy rain, temperatures into the mid-40s to near 50, and it goes nowhere fast, so it's still raining itself out here for the middle of the week with showers and clouds and chilly breezes. Finally, things start to brighten up later Friday and into Saturday.
All right, thanks, Josh. It's a full day of high school.